The WBCA Stars and Stripes Airshow Spectacular, sponsored by CPL Retail Energy, a direct energy company.
As president of WBCA, it is my pleasure to recognize our 2010 Air Show Marshal, Major General Jose S. Mayorga, whose leadership and support has helped us to bring the show you're about to see.
It's a pleasure for the Texas Military Forces to be here to support this grand event. We've got members of the Air National Guard, Army National Guard, and then most importantly our State Guard that are here lending their assistance to make this show an outstanding and another outstanding event. Is this the 13th one?
That's correct.
Even though 13 is not a very lucky number, today's a great day. We've got great weather. It's going to be a great show. Thanks for inviting us, and we'll look forward to being here every year.
My name is Staff Sergeant Jerry Ross, and I represent the paratroopers of the Texas Army National Guard. And today, it is my distinct pleasure to introduce an icon of American rock and roll, a champion of personal freedom and liberties in our country, and a fervent supporter of the United States military. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my great pleasure to introduce Mr. Ted Nugent.
Thank you very much, my friend. Well, I want to say happy Valentine's Day to everybody here, and thank you all for coming. I think you represent what the Nugent family represents, and that's a huge thank you and a salute to the heroes of the United States military. If it weren't for the heroes that are willing to stand up against evil around the world, we wouldn't have the freedom to be here today.
Would like to present to you our annual Rhythms of the Rio WBCA poster that matches our 113th Washington's birthday celebration, sir. We appreciate you being here very much.
God bless you.
Thank you very much.
First to land from Dallas, Texas, Lori Ross. Get your hands together for Miss Ross as she makes a perfect tiptoe landing, ladies and gentlemen. That's right, he only goes by Rock. His name is Robert Rock. Number 2, a perfect touchdown tiptoe landing. What a great opening to the Stars and Stripes Airshow Spectacular. And our pilot today, get your hands together. This next maneuver is a very funny name, but you can see why. This is called the Humpty Bump. Watch as Randy pulls the airplane to the vertical. At the last possible moment, pushes the stick forward, throwing him out of the cockpit. That is the Humpty Bump. Yes, sir, Randy Harris. Very entertaining and special tactical demonstration coming up in just a few moments. You can be like Paul Fiala and really show us the true art of stick and rudder flying. Watch now as he climbs up. One more time. Up and around. We call this maneuver, Jody, the half Cuban A.
This is easy. You got to remember, he has to time this perfectly not to run out of fuel when he's in.
Here they go, folks. Get your hands together. Charlie Company, the 3124th path from Camp Mabry in Austin, Texas, out the back of that wonderful C-130. That's what it would look like if you saw that and you were not a friendly. You would be in for a long day. What a short field it can operate on. Check it out. There's touchdown. He's down. There's 1,000. There's 1,500. There's 2,000 feet. And he will make his first turnoff simply in under 3,000 feet, Jody. That airplane is coming to a rest.
There's 2,000 right there.
Right had a jet engine strapped to.
Recovering at just 1,000 feet off the deck. You will not see this anywhere else, ladies and gentlemen.
Wonderful show. There he is. Giving us a little preview of Pirates in Skies. Very lightweight and also extremely powerful. Almost 400 horsepower and that wonderful Lycon engine.
Boy, that's a beautiful.
Boy, he gets awful close to the ground right there. Please welcome and thank them for their generous support. I'll say that's pretty fast. Look at it go. Check it out, the slow pass, baby.
It's just 2 years older than my car.
There she is.
Uh-oh, wait a minute.
The wax almost to the announcer stand. There we go. Let's hear you guys. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. Stewart's a famous air race pilot at Reno Air Races. JD in the TF-51.
Ladies and gentlemen, your F-15E Strike Eagle. F-15E's exceptional torque capability. Okay, we heard some on the radio. Hang on.
All right. Wow. Right back through the small. All hands on deck. Get your cameras ready. Show right. Here we go. Jerry Ward. He's going to get a little bit of a head start.
Maybe we got a problem.
But wait. We got a problem. We have a problem. Ladies and gentlemen, you just witnessed Team Chaos! Did you like what you see, Laredo? Come on, I can hear you!
The WBCA Stars and Stripes Airshow Spectacular, sponsored by CPL Retail Energy, a direct energy company. Additional sponsors include Miller Lite, Falcon International Bank, Wendy's, Coyote Creek, Mariachi Express, and International Bank.
And Randy